Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name, please?
My name is Blessing Ijama.
Why are you here in Sokoto?
I am here to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, prisoner of conscience at Sokoto prisons.
So did you see him?
I did see him the first day when I arrived. Barely 20 minutes after they allowed me in, we were asked to leave. Fortunately, there were two other Americans there visiting him. I mean, Americans of Igbo descent. One of them is Evans Nwankwo, the chairman of Ambassadors for Self-Determination. Another person, Woro, Dr. Sylvester Onya, or the president for Americans, veterans of Igbo descent. So they were there. They got there about an hour before me, and they had fun with Onyendu. I was very pleased to hug Onyendu for real life. Onyendu is alive and well in high spirits. Although the environment is not very conducive, but he's telling us to be patient, that it will be okay. He is a prisoner, but he's telling us to be patient. So that's to show you that he's not only interested in himself, but in all of us. So the next day, he invited me to come the next morning. When we got there the next morning, myself and the two gentlemen, Dr. Sly and Evans, we were there, but surprisingly we met at the gate the comptroller of prisons, and they told us that we were not allowed to go in today. They didn't give us any reason, but he is supposed to use his discretion to allow us in. However, he insisted that we were not going in. He took somebody like my brother Fineboy to make phone calls to different zones, even FCT, for them to allow us to go in. However, by the time the calls were completed, Dr. Sly and Evans Nwankwo had already left. So I was able to go back the second time. And today again, this morning, I was able to go because my flight that is scheduled for 4 o'clock, I'm hearing now that it's cancelled. But I will find a way to get out of here. They would.